Hey everyone, welcome back to Vedic Mathematics. People always ask me, what are the applications of Vedic math? And my reply is simple. What are the applications of math? Wherever you apply math, you can also apply Vedic math. It's just a different way of solving the same problems. Today, we'll be going over a technique called Duplex, which will be really useful for performing squares and square roots, which we'll be going over in the next few videos. But for today, let's stick to this topic.
Today, we'll be learning the duplex technique. The duplex technique applies differently for different digits of numbers. So, for example, it would be duplex would be different for 1, different for 2, different for 3. But there's a pattern which I'll be teaching you, and this will help you find the duplex for any number of digits, which basically means you can find the square of any number of digits. So let's begin with single digit. Let's take a number 5. So for single digit numbers, all you have to do is square the number. You'll have its duplex. So for example, 5's duplex is 25, and 3's duplex would be 9, 9's duplex would be 81, 7's duplex would be 49, and so on. Next, for two-digit numbers, take a number 83. What you do, you should first multiply the two numbers. Okay? So here in this case, 8 times 3, that is 24. Now, you double it. So in this case, 24 times 2 is 48. So the duplex of 83 is 48. I hope you understood how this works. I'll just give you a few more examples. Okay, let's say we have a number 47. So of course you could multiply and then double it, or you could double one of these two numbers and then multiply, whatever works for you. So 4 times 7 is 28, 28 times 2 is 56. So 47's duplex is 56, and this is how it works. Okay, now let's go for 3-digit, which is basically like a combination of a single digit and double digit. Let's say we have 9, 7, 2. Sure. So you treat the peripheral digits, here in this case 9 and 2, as a 2-digit number, and you take the middle digit as a single digit number. So what you do, 9 into 2 is 18, and double of 18 is 36. So if you realize, we just used the same technique we use for 2-digit number for these two digits on the outer end. So 9 times 2, 18, 18 times 2, 36. And 7 squared, because we're treating it like a single digit, 7 squared is 49. So when you add the two, you have 85, and that is the duplex of 972. I hope you understood how this works. Let me give you one more example. Take a number 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we have the peripheral digits, and for the peripheral digits, the duplex would be 6 times 4, 24 times 2, 48. And for the middle digit, which is 5, you square it, so you have 25. Now remember, you should add these two numbers to get the duplex, we have 73 here. So the duplex of 456 is 73. And that's how it goes for 3-digit numbers. Now, let's try how to do it for 4-digit numbers. Okay. 4, 5, 2, 3. Okay. So let's take this as a 4-digit number. So what you do here, peripheral digits, the outer digits, treat them as a 2-digit number, and the middle digits, you treat them as a different 2-digit number. So again, 4 times 3, 12, times 2 is 24, which is the duplex of 43. Next you have 5 into 2, 10 into 2, 20. So that is the duplex of 52. So the duplex of 4523 would be 44. I hope you understood how I am doing this. Let's take another example. 7069. Peripheral digits. 7 into 9, 63. 63 times 2, 126. Okay? And now the inner 2 digits. 6 into 0, 0. Try to double it, still remains a 0. So you don't need to add anything. So duplex of 7069 is 126. And so on and so forth for all 4-digit numbers. Now I hope you can guess the technique which we will use for the 5-digit number. Can you guess it? Let's see if you were right. So take a 5-digit number, 98373. Okay? So now, as you may have guessed, outer digits as a 2-digit number, inner 3 digits as a 3-digit number. So 9 and 3 duplex, 9 into 3 into 2, basically 9 into 6, 54, or 9 into 3, 27, into 2, 54, either way works, and 8 into 7, 56, into 2, 112, so you add plus 112 plus 3, so 3 squared is 9, don't forget, and you add all 3, so you have your final answer 1, 7 and 5. So our duplex here is 175. I hope you get where I am getting at. So one more example. 40013. 4 and 3 duplex. That would be 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 6, 24. Okay, 24 plus 0 into 0 and 1. Which ones? This one. Okay, 0 and 1. 0 into 1 into 2, still a 0. So add 0 or don't do anything. It doesn't really matter. And again, 0 squared, 0. So our final duplex 24. And that's how you do it for 5-digit numbers. Now if you have guessed the pattern, then you would probably know how to do it for a 6-digit number, wouldn't you? Let's see. Okay, I'll do it down here. So 6-digit number, let me just take random spaces. But I'm hoping you'll understand how the technique works. So you'll have the outer two digits, the middle two digits, and the inner two digits. Multiply them with each other, double them, and add all the three duplexes to get your final duplex of the whole 6-digit number. And for 7-digit number, as you probably would have guessed, outer digits first, then these digits, then these digits, and then this one you square it. And I suppose you will understand how to do from now on 8 digits, 9 digits, 10 digits, how many ever you want. And in the next video, we'll be going over how to use this duplex technique to get the square of any number you want.
So that was the duplex technique. I have decided to make it a 2-part video, and next week I will teach you how to use this duplex technique to square numbers. And later we will see how to use it to find square roots as well. So I hope you like this technique and this video. See you again next week.